Oracle AI Agent Studio empowers Oracle Fusion Cloud applications customers and partners to easily create, extend, deploy, and manage AI agents across the enterprise. Oracle Fusion applications come preceded with many AI agents across the product portfolio, including service. In this session, what I'm going to show you is how can you create your own AI agent from scratch. First off, we'll start with tools. But before we get there, let me just set up a little context. Fusion Service AI agents use knowledge management as one of the key drivers for automation. So in this deployment, we have knowledge available with many knowledge articles already in place. So for example, for Power Generator Gen 2, we already have a product manual. This organization is rolling out 2 new products, Gen 3 Power Generator and Gen 2 Inverter. And they have product manuals for these documents, but haven't had a chance to create knowledge articles just yet. So for the purposes of the demo, what I'm going to show you is how can you create a new AI agent that will provide question and answering service to the end customers who are having any questions about these generators. To start off with, we are going to create a new tool. And we are going to choose tool type as document. We call it new product specifications. Family is CX and product is service. We keep the description the same. And now what I'm going to do is one at a time, I'm going to add those 2 product manuals. So first I will do the Gen 3 Power Generator manual. Put it a name. I'm going to make it ready to publish, keep it the same description, and then drag and drop the manual right here. All right, I'm going to save it. I'm going to add another document, which will be the Gen 2 Inverter Product Manual. I'm going to make it ready to publish as well. And I'm going to drag and drop that manual as well. We'll save this as well. And now I'm going to create this document too. All right, so now I'm going to search for this tool that I just created, new product specifications. Just go to open it up. It's published and ready to go. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new AI agent, a new custom AI agent. You click on add, give it a agent name. CX service. I'm going to run it up to 10 times. I'm going to give it a description. And I'm going to add a prompt over here. This prompt is to drive this particular AI agent. And what this prompt is doing is it is going to use the new tool we just created, new product specifications. It's also going to use the out-of-the-box knowledge search tool. And using these 2 tools, it will provide answer to the questions customer may have. So I'm going to hit on, before I hit on create, I'm going to show the LLM as well. And in this case, we are using the default provider. In the deployments, there could be multiple different providers available. You can pick and choose what you want to use. We're going to use enabled using custom prompt. And I'm going to add some more instructions here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add of formatting requirements. And what this will do is, depending upon the kind of question, it may format the response in slightly different manner. So for example, if somebody is asking, comparing and contrasting two different versions of the product, it will show them in the table. Otherwise, we use the paragraph one. So I'm going to hit on create. And now a shell is created. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to first add the newly added tool, which is new products specifications. Okay, this is the one we just added. I'm going to add it over here. And this is the one we just created. I'm going to add it over here. I'm also going to add the knowledge tool, knowledge search, and I'm going to add this over here. And then I'm going to hit on create. So now I have created a custom AI agent called Spotlight Products Q&A. Now, in order to use it, I will need to create an agent team. And in this team, right now I'm going to put just one AI agent, but the team notion is that you can add multiple AI agents and drive full end-to-end automation. So I'm going to call it Q&A teams. Family is CX, service, maximum interactions 10. And I'm going to just keep the descriptions. I'm going to look at the LLM, default provider. In the case of questions, I can precede some of the questions so that as you are testing this AI agents, these questions will pop up as starter questions. And once I create this AI agent team, I can test it right from within the AI Agent Studio. There is the REST API for this, so I can drop it into a website, build it as part of the automation, whatever you would like to do. So I've created the shell, and now I'm going to add the product Spotlight AI agent I just created, which is Spotlight Products Q&A. I'm just going to add that just to verify it's the same one. Yes, we added the formatting requirements over there. And then I'm just going to hit add. Now, before I publish, I have an opportunity to test this out. And as you see, it will pop up those three preceded questions I have. I'm just going to hit one of these. And now it's running in the test mode. It's going to look at the tools that we have provided, both the document tool that we created, as well as the knowledge search functionality. And it is going to provide me with a response. Scan through all the articles from knowledge, and here it came back. It took a little bit while, but it came back with a response, which is a summary response of latest features of Gen 3 generator. I'm going to ask another question, is to compare and contrast Gen 3 and Gen 2 generator models. Once you test it out, you're all comfortable with the response. The last step is just to publish it, and the AI Agent Studio agent team is ready to go. It could be integrated into the flow of work, whatever you want to use it, however you want to use it. All right, in this case, it came back with a tabular format because that's what we had provided in the instructions. And then after this, you just publish and you're ready to go. So I showed you how to create a custom AI agent from scratch using AI Agent Studio. Thank you.